Okay, I'm gonna go spy on my cousin and grandma. Come along with me. The sneaker. Tori the sneaker. Okay. It might get dark, so yeah, I'll show you. Okay. Just open the door. We are currently in the living room. Oops. The door. Here it is. This is from Marla, the one who makes all the TikToks. Okay. The one snoring was Marla, the one who makes the TikToks.